Meaning of masticate.
Masticate. Masticate.
Verb. Definitions. 1. To chew or grind food with the teeth, to crush or pulverize food, by the action of the jaws. 2. To soften or break down a substance by chewing or grinding. Examples. 1. The rabbit masticated the tough cellulose in the plant stem. 2. The chef instructed the cook to masticate the meat with a mortar and pestle to achieve the desired texture. Intransitive verb. Definitions. 1. To chew or grind food with the teeth, to perform the act of chewing. Examples. 1. The cow masticated contentedly in the lush meadow. 2. The infant masticated on the teething ring to soothe its sore gums.
Masticate. Masticate.